Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another try on haul, but today it is with Boohoo.com. Every time I say that I just think of Boohoo.com, you know, from the ads on TV. Anyways, as you probably already know, I have an online clothing shopping addiction. So I actually went online just to have a look at a t-shirt, and I ended up with 10 or so things. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. Some of the stuff I got is for Fiji because I'm going at the start of May, which I'm so excited for. And then just some pieces that just caught my eye. So for those of you that haven't heard of Boohoo.com, it is just basically like a really fashionable but yet affordable online store. So I'm just going to show you all the pieces that I picked up. Literally obsessed with them all except one, but I will show you guys that as well on the camera. And also I'm like living for this slicked low bun at the moment. I think it's because like I never wash my hair from the gym, so I kind of like have to work with my sweat. Like this is not hairspray or anything, it is literally fresh from F45. So there you go. So I'll leave all the links from all the pieces that I picked out and try on for you guys in the description box down below. So let's get straight into it.
Got a bed, put your name on it. Put your name on it. Got a kiss, put your name on it. Put your name on it.
Okay, so the first thing I picked out was this denim dress. I've actually been looking for something like this for quite a while now, but I just love how basic this one is, and it has a whole, you can basically just zip that down to as far down as you want, but I'd probably just keep it like that. I would probably wear a belt with this. Oh, that's cute. I love the brown. You could also like rock a black belt with it, but okay, I just like that 10 times more with that belt now. I am living for this dress now to find somewhere to wear it because I literally live in activewear. This is what the dress looks like from the back. I still have the tags on everything, but oh my god, I just love, it's like really flattering. It doesn't like make, because I'm like really self-conscious of this area of fat, but it doesn't accentuate it, doesn't dig in. I got a size 10 in most of the stuff that I picked up. So first thing, absolutely love. I'll just show you the detailing here of the zip. Seems like pretty good quality to me. It's not like super thick, which is good, but okay, I'm gonna stop now. Bye. The next few things I got, I didn't actually realize this was gonna be really long, but it's more of like a t-shirt type dress, and if you wanted to, actually no, I probably wouldn't wear a belt with it, but it's just like sort of something really comfy that you can just like go to the shops with. So you probably don't even need to wear like bike pants or something underneath it. Like you could literally just wear it as a dress. But I've just been like obsessed with oversized tees at the moment, especially with bike pants. But yeah, I found this cute top. It just says California on it, and yeah, this one's in a size 12, so probably, oh no, I do like the size. Like I do like oversized tops. I was gonna get the 10, but I wasn't sure if it would be oversized like this, but I can tell you now it is definitely a dress. And then I got some leopard bike pants. I do have some like this, but they're just a bit shorter, so these ones are a bit longer. I got these ones in a size 12 just because I wanted them to be comfortable for me to like lounge around in it. If you're wanting something a little bit more tight fitted, I probably would suggest going down a size because they are actually like really big. Like this is a 12, as I said before. I could probably get away with an 8, like that's how big it is. But yeah, once again, I did want this just to lounge around in, and the material's really nice and soft and not uncomfortable. Like I could literally spend all day in this. But yeah, I really like the material of these. Are nice and light. So yeah, another win outfit. Okay, so these shorts, I always struggle to find shorts that fit me really nice because like I have thicker thighs around here, but then look, my waist is small, but like I guess I could just wear a belt with it, but I'm gonna like cut this because this is literally cut in circulation. Oh, that is so much better. This side seems to be all right, and I'll probably just like leave those hanging or cut them off. These shorts are in a size 10. They fit really well. I love how high-waisted they are, and I love the distressing here, but yeah, this was just a little bit too tight. And then I just wanted some like plain tight t-shirt tops. So I got this gray one. This one's in a size 8 because I wanted it to be tight. I'm gonna go try on that belt with these and see if this fixes that problem. Okay, so I just put my belt on and it seems to have worked a treat. Yeah, that definitely saved the pants. I'm not really a shorts type of gal because, yeah, my legs out of all areas of my body probably carry the most fat and like are the, you know, biggest. But you know what, I'm actually liking these shorts. Like now that I'm like looking more at them with the belt and like this cute top, yeah, I actually really like it. At first, when I first tried them on yesterday, I was like, ugh, yeah, no, but no, I'm actually really liking this. Yep, yes from me. Okay, so this is the next top that I got. You know how much I love animal print, and it's just like an oversized t-shirt top. I think I got this in a size 10. Yep, size 10. I just love plain white t-shirts, and then I just love the detailing around it. So, and I also think this looks really cute with those shorts as well. So I'm not wearing a bra, so if you can see my nips, then yeah. But this is like a longish type t-shirt. But yeah, I would definitely wear it tucked in like this or just like casually with jeans. But yeah, it's a vibe. It's definitely a vibe. Oh my god, stop. This set is that cute. Oh my god, I love it. This top is literally like, how do you wear it? I guess you can wear it both ways. So next set I got is this cute polka dot navy set. I love this top. I guess you could either wear it like this, or I'd probably wear it off the shoulder. This one is in a size 10, both of them. That's what the back looks like. Oh my god, I'm definitely taking this to Fiji. This is so cute. And the material feels really nice. Like it doesn't feel like shit quality. Oh my god. And then imagine like really tanned and like glowy chest. I'm living. Okay, I'm done. Bye. Okay, so this is the set that I was kind of like about, just because this is just so long. But then what I did last night, I just rolled these twice and literally made them 10 times cuter. Like now these are wearable, not wearable. Well, in my opinion, I just think that looks daggy. So definitely rolled twice, and it kind of like, I don't know, matches the frills at the bottom. But this is the next set that I got. Super cute, ties up here. This one's in a size 10 as well. This material is really thin. Like you can see the tags inside the top, which I would cut off. This material would be amazing for those that are going on like a tropical holiday where you're going somewhere hot, because it literally feels like I'm not wearing anything. But yeah, apart from the shorts, I now like this set rolled up. Yeah, it's really cute. I think I just died and went to Leopard heaven. Literally, these are so cute. I got these in a size 12. I'm normally a size 10, but I like to go up a size, especially in bikinis and swimwear, because like the last thing I want is like a tight bikini bottom and tight top with just everything hanging out. I like to be comfortable when I'm at the beach or swimming. So the back of these are quite cheeky, but I'm not going to turn around because YouTube will probably freaking give me a strike for nudity. But yeah, no, these are really nice. I've heard like mixed reviews about Boohoo swimwear. It doesn't feel like cheap or anything. Like it's just like the perfect material. Like I literally can't fault it, and I would literally say if it's shit. So no, I'm like literally loving these so much. Once again, I got a size 12 and it fits me really nicely. So yeah, love. Okay, next set I got are some PJs. Once again, the pants are really long. Oh, I guess it doesn't really matter when you're sleeping, but if you want them to look a little bit more stylish, you can roll them up once. These ones are in a size 12 just because I wanted to be comfortable and I didn't want them to be super tight, but I love these so much. And they're so soft. Oh my God, heaven. I love the little crop as well. Like it just makes going to bed really cute, even though I have no one to impress because I live alone. Oh well. Wow, I did not expect this to look good, honestly. I just got this because it was cheap for lols, but like, hi. So this is in a size 10. I kind of wish I went down a size because it is loose and it's like that fabric that doesn't cling to you. But whoa, this is really like classy. I never usually like would pick up something like this, but like, I love it. How cute is it? I think I'm gonna go get one in a size 8 because I would literally wear this. I honestly didn't think I would like it. I was like, oh, I'd probably be like more of a hit and miss, but with nice heels, a nice bag, I love it. What do you guys think? Yeah, I see like even the sleeves are a bit loose, and then around here, like I would prefer it to be skin tight because it's not very flattering like that, but like the whole like shape and design of it is really, really, really fucking nice. So yeah, that's that one. Okay, so another thing that I didn't think I would like is this t-shirt type bodycon dress. If you guys know me, you know like I never, like in my hauls, I never pick shit like this, but I don't know, it kind of looked really cute on the model. I guess you could like wear, like if you were self-conscious about your stomach area, you could wear like a hoodie and wrap it around. I might actually go try and find one. Hold on. Okay, so I just found one of my gym white hoodie things. Probably wouldn't wear this particular one with it, but just so you guys can get my drift, like I've kind of seen this look trending at the moment. So I think it, like I'm loving it. Like I really, really like it. And it definitely makes you look a bit thinner when you have something wrapped around the stomach, but who would have thought I would have liked a bodycon dress like this? But I just think it's really elegant. I guess I could wear it to work. I could wear it out. I could wear it casually. Like you can't go wrong with like a little black dress like this. So yes, I'm actually very surprised with that one. Loving it. Before I forget, I also picked up some animal print scrunchies and they're really soft. They're like a velvety material. So I got this pack of 3 and I'm wearing one in my hair right now. I don't know how well you can see that, but there's this design, this one which is similar, and then like a zebra type design, but super, super cute, and they're quite firm as well. So like I always wear these exercising, like they're amazing. Oh, if that's not how you put on tights, then I don't know how you do. And lastly, I picked up this cropped California hoodie. TBH, I probably would want it shorter. I think I'm gonna go cut it now. But yeah, it's just like a little, it's like an awkward length. So I'm gonna cut it probably to about here. So I could like definitely wear this to the gym. DIY vid. Okay, so maybe about that much. And I'm literally just gonna cut straight across. Okay, let's see how well my DIY skills are. Probably wouldn't wear it with this crop, so let's just tuck it under. But I'm just gonna like take out a bit of the stitching. Yeah, like I think that looks so much cuter when it's like a little bit cropped. Because like with a crop top, you may as well just like make it actually cropped, not like the awkward mid-length. So that is my little DIY creation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you want me to do more hauls. I'm thinking like, I'm trying to think of like other brands that I haven't done, like maybe Pretty Little Thing or Oh Polly, Hello Molly, Beginning Boutique. Like there's so many stores out there that I'd love to do a video on. So let me know what online shop you'd like me to shop at next so I can do another haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Oh no, I don't want to get that in it. Wait. Oh. Come on.
Wow, I need help. Oh my god, you're joking, right?
Oh, maybe not.
I literally already got makeup on it.
You a fool's gold.